Alright guys, we are about to roll 100,000 miles in the 2013 Honda Accord V6. I have had this car since June 25th of 2016. I bought it with 41,355 miles on it. Some of you may recognize this road. It's the same exact road that I was on when I rolled 150,000 miles in my 2000 Acura TL back in the day. That was about 3.5-4 years ago. That car was totaled in December of 15. This replaced it in June of 16, as I had mentioned. And it's been pretty trouble-free. It's on its second set of front brakes, second set of tires. I've put rears in it, rear brakes that is. This heated mirror is just broke recently. So that's gonna have to get replaced. But that's really it. I went the trunk latch broke, but that was my fault. Changing out the lights, you can see I put LED lights in it. I apologize if the sun is in the way, but I can't do much to control that. And there we go, 100,000 miles. Pull on over here. It's a little salty, I just washed it, but not much I can do. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.